Which of these is not the formula of the compound represented by the figure here? If blue spheres represent carbon atoms, white spheres represent hydrogen atoms, and the red sphere represents an oxygen atom. Is it A, CHO, B, C2H6O, C, C2H5OH, or D, CH3CH2OH? The formula of a molecular compound reflects the composition of each molecule in the compound. Subscripts indicate how many atoms of each kind are present in the molecule. The molecule shown in the figure has two blue spheres. Since according to the question, blue spheres represent carbon atoms, we should see carbon written in the formula with a subscript of 2, as in choices B and C, or written twice with no subscript, as in choice D. Remember that a subscript that is not written is implied to be 1. Obviously then, choice A is not a correct formula for the compound represented in the figure. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Let's look more closely at choices B, C, and D to verify that they are all correct formulas. In the figure, we see 6 white spheres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These represent 6 hydrogen atoms. Therefore, H should appear in the formula so that the total subscript is 6. In choice B, the subscript of hydrogen is 6. In choice C, hydrogen is written twice and the total subscript is also 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. In choice D, hydrogen is written 3 times with subscripts of 3, 2, and 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. As far as hydrogen is concerned, we can see that choice A is incorrect. Hydrogen appears in choice A only once and with no subscript. Finally, the molecule shown in the figure has 1 red sphere, which represents an oxygen atom. Oxygen appears in all the choices. All the choices given have 1 oxygen with no subscript. The compound represented here is ethanol. It belongs to a class of compounds known as organic compounds. Its formula is, in fact, written more frequently like in choices C and D. The CH3 grouping is quite common among organic compounds. It's called a methyl group. The CH2 grouping is called a methylene group, and the CH3-CH2 grouping, which is often abbreviated C2H5, is also quite common and is called an ethyl group. The OH group is also quite common among organic compounds. It's called a hydroxyl group. Compounds whose molecules have hydroxyl groups are called alcohols. Ethanol is also called ethyl alcohol.